Hello YouTubers, I'm gonna show you how to do a differential cover swap. I did mine because it was leaking. This truck only has 40,000 miles and it's showing here that it's already all the way around wet. So I decided to swap it with the new Offroad Gorilla cover. And here you could see what's the outcome of this video. It's a complete swap of two different covers. And here I'm painting the new cover. That's how it came from Offroad Gorilla. So I decided to give it a different color, make it pretty, accent the logos with red paint. So here I'm giving the final touches to the logos. The spare tire. My spare tire I didn't lower it since the truck was new. I lowered it one time just to see how it's supposed to work, and I haven't touched it since. So this truck is around 4 years old, and I have gone many times off-roading. So this is how it looks after 4 years in there without any cleaning or anything. So also it's a good time to check the air pressure on the spare tire. Mine had only 10 psi, so I had to refill it before I put it back up. Now loose both plugs to drain all the oil from the differential, to the first one in the bottom and then the second one the fill port. That way the oil gets off the differential faster. So I need to remove all the screws that hold the plate now. That's what I'm doing. This is a really straightforward process. The only thing that I couldn't pull back together was a small bracket that holds the line for the handbrake. So I'm going to create one eventually in the future. So for now I'm tightening the line with tie wraps to the truck bed. You can see the old gasket came off pretty easily, and here are my beautiful gears. Not much wear on them. It's basically a fairly new truck, only 40,000 miles in it. So I'm gonna clean all of that with a razor blade and spray, cleaner spray. So clean with a razor blade all the way around. Make sure all that old sealer material is removed. You can also use a small hook to remove the sealant from inside the screw holes. and then spray everything with cleaner. The gasket I'm using is from Lock, so that gasket doesn't require any sealant, and it's also reusable. So it's a wonderful gasket. Give it a try if you haven't done so. It also doesn't even require torque. As long as you try all the screws at the same pressure, you'll be fine. Here I'm putting the cover, and starting from the top, that way gravity helps me align the cover and align the gasket. So that's the first screw. And I'm doing all of this with the truck on the floor. I didn't raise the truck because I didn't have a place to raise it. Then align the bottom, or at the side also you could align one screw on the side. I put 3 full quarks into my differential. Then put the fill plug back on, tighten it, and you're done. If you like this video, please rate and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.